Let's learn about calcium. One of the most amazing things about calcium is how it makes our bones and teeth super strong. It's like giving them a special shield. But that's not all. Calcium also helps our muscles relax and keeps our nervous system, which is like the body's messaging system, in really good shape. And if we accidentally get a scrape or cut, calcium jumps in to help our blood clot, kind of like a natural Band-Aid. Where can we find calcium? It's hiding in some delicious foods. Think of green leafy veggies like kale, bok choy, Napa cabbage, and collard greens as calcium superheroes. Fruits like oranges, dried figs, and vegetables like broccoli and black olives have calcium too. And don't forget about nuts and seeds: almonds, Brazil nuts, sesame seeds, chia seeds, and poppy seeds. They're like tiny calcium treasure troves. Plant foods like beans and amaranth also have calcium. And guess what? Some foods like soy milk, plant-based yogurts, and tofu even have added extra calcium. Look for a sign that says "Fortified with calcium" on your food package. And here's a fun fact: the amount of calcium that goes into our bones isn't just about how much calcium we eat. It's also about a nutrient called vitamin D. This vitamin is like calcium's best friend. It helps calcium get into our bones and do its job. So getting some sunlight or eating foods with vitamin D is like giving calcium a magic key to enter our bodies. So next time you hear about calcium, remember that it's a superhero for our bones, muscles, and nerves. And it loves hanging out in all sorts of delicious foods. And don't forget about vitamin D, the secret helper that makes sure calcium is working its magic.